Tuwang, yung na yung bukog. Yung bukog niya dire. Sige daw, tama yung bukog dire. Tama yung. Now, I will make a measurement heart there. Measurement sa irahang liog. Presuming, I will make sure that ang patient ato is on a neutral position. Liog, ukini. So, 5. Tama? 5 fingers approximation. So, I make a little bit more than that. Ay, hangat na. Pag-magigda mo lahat na kita ba? So, neutral position. Ini mo. Proper half, 3D. And then, ini nga bukog. So, 5. Now, kining inyo kay Kuya Mali, delikado. Dugay mo sa pagkiro. Okay, lakon. Lagi po ipaagya. So, 5. For example, kini, from diha, 5, I will add 2 katudlok na lang. So, siguro, kana will suffice. That will do. Pwede? Pwede. Pwede. Tingog mo. So, pag kami, pareha na, siya sa lihaw na, benefits na kami. Make sure na snag-fit siya, usak ko mo. Ang problema ani, dili na ko kasi sa liog. Dili na ko kasi sa liog, di ba? Ang problema niya ay, para may chance mo sa liog. Muna palit mo itong na-i-abilities ito nga ha.
Ito mo ginagamit, sir?
Asa naman?
Wala ka na dito na ito. Kung i-adjust?
Pwede ka po. Sige lang, wani gamito na mo ron for the sake of demonstration.
Ano sa lamisa, sir?
Okay, so we will perform as if as a group, performing patient assessment. I will be the team leader. I'm Sir Juan Baguio. Together with me, my assist, our bagman, and my intervention na ko nga kauban. Okay? So, performing patient assessment, you will not be graded this way. Kunya na ako na lang isa. This is supposed to be as close as possible. This is how you do your patient assessment. Okay, since I up, upon call, I would know a lot of things of the details of the pasyente. Now, itawag na. We are already in the scene. Now, I have to consider all the hazards to make the scene safe and secure. If it is in the vicinity, is in the highway, make sure that itong itudlo na po kanina is already addressed and all of the hazards already been addressed. Now, going to the patient, I will identify the mode of injury. Ang itawag sa mga is bangga. I will look at the area, what happened. I will have a greater grasp of the mode of injury. If it is a significant or not significant mode of injury. Now, identify, BPE is already on, so we could now engage. Now, I have here one patient. This is not the general depression. This is just to check if the call is right. One patient, guys, one patient lang tayo. As of now, we don't need additional backup. So, going to the patient, since this is MOI and the vehicular accident, we will consider spinal mobilization. So, if we bring our spine board. Good. Now, according to general impression, looking at the patient, I have here one 30 to 35 years old lying on the ground, since unconscious with a visible bleeding on the right thigh. Copy?
Kami, sir.
Ay, dito yung gulo para masaya tayo. Okay, now approaching the patient, I will check for level of consciousness and I will ask for perfusion. Sir, may hapon, taga-Bureau of Fire Remy, sir. Sir, may hapon, taga-Bureau of Fire Remy, pwede niyo tabang, implied consent. Now, I will look, the patient is breathing normally, even though the patient wala nito pag. Sir, I will check. Since patient is unconscious, less protocol, I will check for less than 10 seconds. Life pulse, life breathing, and consciousness. This man, please, stop this there. Can you open the door, please? Check this part. Jotras lang ka.
Okay, starting airway.
Performing don't trust maneuver.
Copy and that while checking airway, we'll check for breathing. Breathing is present in a out breath. Stethoscope, please.
No visible obstruction. Airway is open.
Copy and that. Checking for breath sounds. Positive breath sounds. Equal breath sounds. Positive breath sounds.
Can you continue to open the
Positive
airway
breath sounds
and insert open?
Breathing is inadequate as of the moment, adequate as of the moment, but patient having a breathing. So can you please NRA please and rely on, and then we can place it back. Checking for circulation. Less than 30 seconds. I am counting.
Inserting okay, sir. Assuming insert.
Possible tayo ng pulse sa pero anyway, possible tayo ng papagpapagpapag. So, patuloy sa yes. I will now check for rapid trauma assessment. Sir, wake up po sir ha. Reklamo lang ang sakit. Checking sa head area. Okay. Yan lang. Aliw po. Sir, magputang po po sir ha. Magputang po sa po sir. Sa sir.
That, you open the laptop. Okay. Third, inserting MRV at 15 liters per minute.
No blood found, no capital S, some abrasion in the head, contusion here at the side. No blood found, no capital S. No blood found, no capital S. Some deformity here, I will check. Gunting ko sir ha, gamay lang, tanaw lang ko. Dahil discoloration na natin.
Noted, sir.
No blood found. No blood found. No blood found. Uy, blood found din. Sir, magtanggal ang tuwa. Sir, doktor sakit ni sir ha. Bilang. Ako given. Yes, I'm working with you. Here we are. What we need to do. No blood found, no blood found. Yes. No blood found, no blood found. No yes, no blood found. No blood found, no yes. No blood found, no blood found, no yes. No blood found, no blood found.
Sir, bleeding control, applying bandage.
Okay, patient is unstable. Good time. Can you place it? So assuming at this moment my decision is load and go, we have already loaded the patient to the hospital. Okay. Jensen, already on. The ambulance, I will perform first my history taking since the patient is unable to talk. I will continue to my head to toe. Assessment, sir, multang lang ko ha. Please continue po kayo ng policy. Check ko ha.
Taking vital
Checking
signs.
for the cranium area. Sir, wake up po ha. Sakit eh. Again, bound to tuition mo natin. Mula din sa ulo. Then checking for the orbital area. Walay. Bunog. Norapun eyes. Checking for pearl. Sir, tanaw na po ha. Pearl is pupil is reactive to light. Checking for ears. No leaking. No leaking. No battle sign. Checking sigmaticus. Sigmatic is intact. Nose bridge is intact. Sir, tanggalan ito kadalihan for a while. No blood found. Clavicle. Clavicle sa line intact. Sternum. Is aligned and intact, rib cage. Aligned and intact, and lagyan ng discoloration din. Okay, checking for the abdomen, sir. Ubo na po gamay ha. Inspecting. Wala ko nakita ng ubo. Checking for breath sounds. Positive breath sound. Positive abdominal sounds. Positive abdominal sound. Sir, welcome to ha. No tenderness, no rigidity. No tenderness, no rigidity. No tenderness.
Sir,
No
BP,
tenderness.
BP of 80/60, sir. Checking pulse rate.
Thank you. Down. No sound. Don't repeat the sound. No pre-episode. Blood pounding. Only reassess if this is still good. Okay. No blood pound. Patella is aligned and intact. Patella is aligned and intact. Sir, wag mo po kasi mo show, sir, ha? Dali lang. Dali lang. Sir, wag mo gusto sa
Sir, 1 minute has elapsed. Respiratory rate is 32. Pulse rate is 126.
Possibly. Okay. Checking for pulse, positive airway. Sir, maliyok ni mo yung tiil. Kung nakadungog ka sa kuha, ay still unresponsive. Mapili ni mo, sir. Still unresponsive. So, let's go to the position. Isang tingin, patient on the spine board, nakaana, lower ang head. Now, every 5 minutes, you check.
Yes, sir.
At this moment, I will start to write. This airway manage. Can you check this PO2 afterwards? Right, you have no name, right? At yung pangalan. Dad.
Checking pulse and BP.
Shit. Confirming nga ang ulo ng mga natin. Wala na lang yung siya. Ibig. It is big.
BP has gone down 17/50.
Can you assess the airway? Your suction is really suction. Anyway, checking for airway is compromised. Pwede na ito ipakilig. Pero dito ito, nagula-ula. Nagkakasir, nagkakaroon sa labo. Ready. See, ready mo lang. Hold the head. Sige. Sir, kakilig ka naman sa uno. Paluwa. Saluda. Okay, that's enough. 1, 2, 3, Suction, very suction. Sir! And now, performing suction. Suction machine on the ambulance. Resuming. Suction heartbeat on. Tubig. Measuring. Okay. Hyperventilate. Kanan muna. Sige. High flow.
15 liters na, sir. Checking pulse. The SpO2 is 89. Checking pulse.
That's 2 minutes lapse. Okay. Pinipili sa upa. Pila yan ang kwan? Pila na
RR is 8, sir.
8 na lang. Sige magpili. Assisted ventilation ka. Puli mo. Okay, wala. Puli mo. Ito wala. Mag-fix siya. Puli mo sa dito kasi na-fix siya. Sige, sir. Sabay lang sa yung ginawa. Sige, go. At this moment, we're waiting until such time about this ambulance, all of these things. Assuming this is already done, after 20, this is done, we'll check for breathing again, reassess, and we'll reassess everything. That's it, thank you.